Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Capricorn people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Two of Pentacles. This is your current energy, Capricorn. It seems like you are juggling between something. Nine of Swords. Yes, you are juggling about something. It could be between your personal life and your professional life. It could be related to your relationship. It could be related to your finances. Something is there which you are juggling a lot. And if I talk about from a relationship perspective, your person is giving you hard time because you are not able to understand what action you should take, okay, towards them. And rather than pouring your emotions on this person, you are just busy into your juggling thing. You have emotions back in your mind, back in your heart, but right now you are completely confused what action you should take towards them. And this is the reason you are feeling a lot of burden, because your person is giving you a hard time. On the other hand, we have Nine of Swords. It seems like your person is going through some kind of a difficult time as well. It's not that they are just giving you hard time. They are deliberately giving you tough time. Something is happening for them. Something is going on in their life. This is the reason they are not feeling happy. They are feeling sad and bad. They are anxious, they are worried, they are sleepless, they are horrified. Something is going on in their life. This is the reason they must not be talking to you decently, or they must not be talking to you completely, okay? There could be a zero communication. Alright. Now let's see, Capricorn, what is the mutual energy between you and them. Conditioning. It seems like both of you are going through some tough time in life, okay? And I'm seeing that, or I could sense it that somewhere you feel that, oh God, I'm stuck with this person. Somewhere they also feel in the same manner, or perhaps you feel that this is not the situation. I used to be a warrior. I used to be like a lion. I used to be like a very confident person. Now what is happening with me? Why am I behaving in this manner? Why am I not confident enough? Why am I not facing the situations? Why am I not facing the challenges? So something is happening for both of you, Capricorn. This is the reason both of you are feeling conditioning. It could happen for both of you that your people surrounded, I can sense it that your person is surrounded by certain people in their life who are not able to pull them up, okay? Sorry, yeah. They just want to, they do not want this person to grow, or they must be surrounded by so many negative energies around, in their life, in their social circle, in their home, in their office. So somewhere somehow they are pulling this person back. These person do not want him or her to grow in life. So it could happen for them that they must be feeling that I'm not capable enough, or I'm not I don't have that much of caliber to conquer something and all that, okay? So it seems like your person is dealing with such emotion, this conditioning. Now let's see, Capricorn, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. See what I told you. So right now, consciousness, your person is seeing you as somebody who, for them you are somebody who is surrounded by negative people, negative energies, negative auras, or negative surroundings, okay? And that's not the case, but it is it is their perception towards you. They think that you are somebody who is, surrounded by so many negative peoples and negative energy. They do not want you to grow, but the case is completely different. Alright, the current action which your person is taking towards you is nothing, because this person is, very much into their own energies right now. They are afraid, they are fearful. They feel the moment they'll take a step towards you, something will happen, something bad will happen with them or with you. So this is the reason they are stopping themselves. Even though nothing is going to happen, if they take action towards you, nothing is going to happen. But since they are like completely fearful, they are not able to move ahead. They are not able to open this door. And rather than opening this door, they are just standing still over there, and they are just seeing you, what you are up to. Okay. But for some of you Capricorn, I can see that your person will start taking action towards you with this flowering card, because it seems like your person is going to realize, or perhaps if they are able to open this door, then definitely I'm seeing some positive response, and I'm sure that they are going to see this lock which is already open. They just need to free this door from this chain and just open the door and just move out. So for some of you Capricorn, I can see that your person is able to open this door in future, and they'll be out and they'll be free. Okay, and your and their union, or your and their reunion, is going to create the wonders of life. Okay, but your union with them, their union with you, is going to make something meaningful in both of your life. All right. Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. So some of you could be dealing with them too. Okay. Alright, so Capricorn people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.